Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Machete from Machete TV, and today we got another great video. It's been 6 years since I made the last one about tech on this channel, and today we got a great unboxing video. We got, like from the title it said, the Asus Zephyrus G14 here, so let's get into it. So I'm really excited about this one here. It's not for me, it's for a coworker, but I'm gonna unbox it here. Ooh, ladies and gents, look at this packaging here. So this is pure love and dedication from Asus. When you look at the packaging, when I open it up, the whole device get lifted up. That's really cool. So what we've got here is the white model of the G14. I'm gonna take a quick look in just a minute. Just gonna unpack the other stuff from the box. So here inside we got a power charger and the main brick. So the cool thing about this laptop is that was one of the reasons we bought it. Is that you can power charge the device with a USB Type-C charge and with its own power cord. So here is the main power cord brick, the AC adapter with 180 watts. And here is the USB-C power cord with, I believe, 65 watts. So when you travel and doing some light work and when you're heavy gaming, both chargers, both AC adapters are inside here. What we got in the box is, check out the dongles. Okay, got some G-series. Yeah, light it up, backlight matrix explained, I think. Some manual stuff, just paperwork, no big deal. And then, okay, is there something inside? No, it's just the whole mechanics. Okay, and I believe here we got the other power cord for this device, and that's it. I would suggest, yeah, the whole thing is empty. Yeah. So power cord cable, these are the cords that I got plugged inside here. So yeah, these are the both AC adapters. One, I believe, for more quick traveling work and one for heavy workstation work. Leave that there. And here we got this beautiful device. We've got inside, I got some spec sheet here, the Ryzen AMD 7 4800HS NVMe Matrix LED. That's just some fancy word for this backlight LEDs here you got. So all of these backlight LEDs you can, I believe, access somehow. 76 watt-hour battery, WQHD display, means 2560 times 1440 resolution display, Pro Auth True Color, Wi-Fi 6 certified, USB Type-C charging, and Dolby Atmos. Yeah, that's it. Let's unpack this bad boy. Looks pretty solid to me. As I can tell that the whole thing is lifted up by this chassis here, by the display itself through this hinge. So when you open it up, the whole laptop is a little bit lifted up by the hinge. But let's go through the I/O. We've got, so on the back side, just some exhaust fans, I believe, MA speakers. Then we've got here the main power access, HDMI, HDMI out, USB Type-C, and headphone microphone combo. And on the other side we got two USB Type-A's and an USB Type-C for data transfer, I believe. On this side is the USB Type-C sign for DisplayPort. on this side now. So the whole display port I/O is on one side, and on the other side you can plug in your devices and your dongles and peripherals. So here we've got inside on this thing an RTX GeForce and NVIDIA RTX GeForce 2060 Max Q with 6 GB of DDR6 RAM, Dolby Atmos, Wi-Fi 6. As I said already, we got a M2 SSD inside with 1 terabyte of space, and I think that's it. I'm gonna try a little bit typing on this device and how it feels. So from my perspective, where I got a mechanical keyboard, and I'm not very used to type a lot on laptop devices. I got a Dell Inspiron, which is completely made out of plastic, and this thing has got more a very, very solid and stable look. Like the deck flex and everything, if you bend it a little bit, it's not really there. It's got a very, very massive chassis. And the other thing is, what I've seen already is that you got really easy access to the inside of the device, and this will be the topic of our next video. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna not turn it on because I'm gonna need to set it up for my mate. But in the next video, what we're going to do, this laptop as it is right now, right here, has got a total of 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. The maximum what the manufacturer is writing is, I believe, 24. So Asus said the max RAM you can plug in is another 16 gigabyte stick, because there is already 8 gigabyte inside, and you can additionally add 16 gigabyte up to 24. But on forum there are rumors that you can add a 32 gigabyte stick, so you can reach up to 40 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM inside this machine. What we're going to do next in our next video, so don't forget to subscribe, is we're going to test out the base model, so 2 times 8 gigabytes 8 gigabyte sticks. And then one 8 gigabyte stick is already soldered inside. So we're gonna add 16 gigabytes so we can reach the 24 max gigabytes, and then we got a 32 gigabyte stick we're going to put inside the machine and do various tests like benchmarking Premiere from Puget Systems and other system crunching tests to reach some points in performance. That's it from the video. That's gonna wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. It was my first tech video since 6 years. I'm gonna work on everything here. So yeah, leave a like, leave a comment if you want to know anything about the Asus G14 and what do you want to see next. So see you guys, and bye bye.